What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we're not rebuilding anything. Today we're going to do a review of a bike that was sent to me, an e-bike. It's called a Cyrusher Montta. This thing is amazing. Now for some specifications, the motor is a 750 watt Bafang motor. It's a 48 volt 17 amp hour battery, maximum load 330 pounds, range up to 43 miles, rider height 5'7" to 6'6". Included is the battery, charger, air pump, assembly tool set, assembly guide, battery manual, user manual, free stickers. Warranty is 2 years. Battery charge time is 5 to 7 hours. Lifetime of the battery is approximately 800 charges. The frame is a 26-inch 6061 aluminum heat treated. Now I've already put 30 plus miles on this bike, so it's been a trooper so far. It's been through the mud, it's been on gravel, it's been on paved roads. We've been all over with this thing, and I'm here to tell you it's a great bike. If you don't use pedal assist, you're going to be looking at somewhere around 20 miles an hour for someone my size. I'm 5'11" and a half. The half is very important, and I'm 220 to 230 pounds, depending on what day of the week you ask me. So I'm a bigger guy, and I can easily cruise without pedaling a smooth 20 miles an hour in this thing. This is a 26-inch bike. It's got 4-inch fat tires, called a fat tire bike. It's got full suspension, front and rear. All right, full suspension. You've got hydraulic disc brakes. Take a look at these bad boys right here. And that 750 watt Bafang motor right there. There's your disc brakes. There's your suspension. You've got a nice LCD display, which is turned off. Power button is right here. Turn it on, comes to life. And we have 36.4 miles. Battery's fully charged. You've got your, I can't pronounce this, but is it Shimano 7-speed gear selector there, and here it is down here. This thing, nice comfortable seats. Of course, it's adjustable. You adjust it with this little handle right here. This is a great bike that gets tons of range. I've only had to charge this thing once, and the battery wasn't even dead. I just wanted to make sure before I made this video it had a full charge. You got your headlights up front. You do have tail lights as well in the back. So if you don't want to talk about it, you actually want to take it out for a ride, let's get it, man. It's a pretty powerful bike, and it's got, I think it's got 5 different pedal assist modes. Let's see. Pedal assist, you turn up and down here. It does. It has 5 pedal assist modes, and you know, you can start out at 0, where there's no pedal assist at all, meaning you're pedaling yourself, and as you go up, you pedal less and you get more power out of it. Of course, you got your back brakes here, you got your front brakes here, and man, these brakes work absolutely great. Horn, it's louder than you think it is, trust me. Your lights right here, and then you've got another button which dims the lights up here as well. So there it is. Pretty simple, basic bike. There's nothing complicated about it. This is something you can throw it together, get on it, and hit the road. All right, let's take it for a rip. Do a little pedaling just to help her out some. This is some really loose gravel, guys, and I'm wearing shorts. Bad combination. The wind noise is bothering you? There's nothing I can do about it. Let's go through some water here. Let's get a little wet. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that actually feels kind of good. Oh man, yeah, I got a little wet on that one. All right, here we go. A little bit of off-road. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh. Whoa. Oh dude. I'm soaked. Oh man. Yeah. There we go. Oh, it makes you feel like a kid again. That's what it does. I mean, I'm absolutely soaking wet, but that's all right, because by the time we get back, I'm sure I'll be hot and dry. Those brakes are squeaking. Loose gravel, really loose gravel. Oh yeah, it's some rugged terrain out here, man. Oh, whoa! Oh man, this thing is wild. Oh, oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, mud and water. There we go. Hey, you want to know if it's all terrain or not? I got you covered. I'm covered in mud right now, man. This thing's a beast. Oh, I'm soaking wet and covered in mud. Well, it's too late now. We done did it. Let's just get out on the road. These brakes are great too, man. Woo. Oh man, she's got some good brakes. Very touchy brakes. I like it. We're cruising at 26 to 30 mile an hour with a little bit of pedal assist. If I don't use the pedals, let me let it slow down going up this hill. It'll do, she'll hold about 20. With me, it's gonna vary based on your size, weight, and all that stuff, but going up a hill, I can maintain 20 miles an hour, no problem. But again, if I start pedaling, I can easily maintain 27 to 30 miles an hour. See, let's start pedaling again. Look at that. Boy, we picked up speed fast. We're already at 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 34. We're at 34 mile an hour. Hell, that's damn near the speed limit out here. That's not too shabby, guys. I'm here to tell you, man, this bike moves. This one moves. You want an e-bike that really gets it down the road? This is it. This is it. Woo! There's 30. We're at 30 mile an hour. 31. Come on. 32. I can't do more than 32. 33. 30. That's it. That's all I got, man. Woo! It should make me work for it too. Should make me work for 33 mile an hour. All right. But anyway, maintaining like 25, not a problem, man. Not an issue at all. I can hold 25 mile an hour, which I'm going right now, all day. No problem at all. This is nice. And that suspension, that thing handles these bumpy roads almost like they're not even there. That was a workout. That was a workout. Whew. Pedal assist 5, and I'm telling you, it made me work for it. I was able to hold 25 to 30 miles an hour the whole way. The whole way. That was at least 3 or 4 miles that we just did. That was fun. A good workout, didn't take a whole lot of time. I feel good. I'm gonna be sore later. All right, let's try out these brakes. Yeah, they work. They work good. Even on gravel. And this is real loose. These are bad roads, man. Really bad roads to ride on. Great for a mountain bike though, and that's kind of what this is. I mean, as you see, it does just fine on normal roads, normal terrain. It also does great on really rugged, bad terrain, off-road terrain. She does it all, man. It's a good bike. It's a good bike, and I feel like the price, it's just fun. The price is well worth it. All right, now this is some pretty rugged terrain here, guys. As you can see, it's very soft, it's wet, it's sandy, and it's about to get even wetter. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, come on, we can do it. We can make it, we can make it, we can make it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, oh yeah. I had to give some pedal assist there, man. She's got some strong motors, but going through water and sand, not exactly this bike's forte, you know what I mean? Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm all wet again, but that's okay. Sometimes it's fun for getting too adult and acting like a kid again. Oh, thorns. Ow. Ah. And sometimes it hurts. This is great, man. That's what I needed. Ah, I love it. I just got a notification from my watch that I just did a new record on a bike. So that's great. I am soaking wet, but I don't care. I don't care. This is great. The wind, and listen to these brakes. Woo! Whoa. I used to do that all the time when I was a kid. I did. Oh, this soft, really soft gravel. Oh. I almost hate to cut this video short. Hold on, I'm gonna go through this water one more time just because this just hit it fast. Woo! Oh. Yeah, anyway, hate to cut the video short, but this was fun. I think it's a great bike. I do. It's a wonderful adventure bike. Oh man. As I told you guys, this wasn't my first experience with this bike. I have now put 42 miles on this thing. 42 miles. You know, I decided I'm kind of new to doing these reviews. And I decided, you know, it's great to do it when it's new, but why not give it a little time, you know, really put it through its paces and put some miles on it. That way I can tell my viewers like, hey, at 30 miles, something went wrong. You know, this bike has really done well. It's been put through the ringer and she just goes. She just goes. It's a 43 years old, I'm out here riding around like I'm a teenager again. So as I was saying, major shout out and thank you to Cyrusher for sending me this Montta. This is an amazing e-bike, guys. If you want something that can handle just about anything you're going to throw at it, this is the one. I put the miles on it, I put the time into it, I verified it, made sure this is a good bike. She is solid, like a rock, man. It rode through this whole thing. I mean, it's pretty deep, guys, and it rode through this whole thing multiple times. Needed a little assistance from my feet to pedal it, but man, she got through it. She's still running, she's still grooving. This is a wonderful bike. I can't recommend them enough, so thank you again to Cyrusher for sending me the bike. Definitely go check the description box below for a link. You get yourself one of these. That's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed the content, hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Thank you to each and every one of you for taking time to watch my videos. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.